Good evening, this is Daily Dose of BK and Bitcoin update. Quick outlook on the macro, still looking for the bottom of the wave 4, checking if this was 1 or we're going to descend into a next area of support. We're currently bounced off the base channel of the larger 1, 2. Now we're building the inner 1, 2, 3 wave 4 of the inner third wave. Not gonna go into this because I went many times. The only thing that we should remember is well, either this is bottom or we're gonna lose this bottom and test the next one here. Considering the fact that we have an impulse, let's just dive into the correction or this wave here. And no matter what I say about the mini correction on the smaller time frame, it has to be taken with a grain of salt, because as you can see, for example, here you have a clean impulse down, and then when Bitcoin was rising, it also looked like an impulse, and then we had a flush. So now we had an impulse, and then in my opinion it was a 3-wave move, and then it also looked like an impulse, but I did think it was a wave X in making. So now we had another impulse down. Now let's take a look. Last time we said that we're gonna expect some sort of a move here into the bearish algo zone, and so ABC first zigzag into a W wave X. Now it formed an impulse over here. That was a wave A if we're building a double zigzag, right? And perhaps it's already completed. Let's see if we're gonna trigger the bearish algo that is waiting here in the blue box from 0.5 to 0.618, and then that could be a short scalp if you want to trade that. And no matter what, I'm gonna be interested in trying my longs here, because I wouldn't want to miss a wave 3 if we're gonna have one. So nothing bad, right? I'm gonna wait for the reaction here and then see if I'm gonna long or not, but I'm gonna get there and I'm gonna update you guys on my opinion. What's good is that we can see the movement and somewhat of a structure at the current point of time. All right, that was it for the Bitcoin. Quickly on the Ethereum, it doesn't look healthy. If this was a wave A of the wave Y, well, we don't have a lot of room for the wave C to develop if we're gonna drop here, because Ethereum is struggling right now at the edge of this descending channel. All right. We're gonna see if impulse ends somewhere here, and we're gonna have a bounce that exits this channel, and then we can talk about any potential idea of longing. Bitcoin definitely looks better, but whatever one does, I think the other will follow. All right, have a good day.